and welcome to the Fiverr New Seller Crash Course 2021. If you want to start as a freelancing, full-time or part-time and make money online as a beginner and you don't know how we start, then this course is absolutely for you. This course is designed for those who have heard freelancing word but actually didn't do that and don't know about Fiverr platform. We will cover lots of things in this course. I will show you one of my Fiverr account earning that we did as a part-time on Fiverr platform and earned $250 to $350 per month. We will discuss about Fiverr levels, how we become a level 1 or top rated seller, how we withdraw our funds and stuff like that. By the way, my name is Abdul Kadir. I am a full stack web developer and freelancer, also teaches thousands of students on Udemy platform. As a beginner we did some mistakes, so this course will help you to avoid those mistakes and you will be completely familiar with the Fiverr platform. We will cover lots of things in this course, how we send custom offer on Fiverr when clients send you a message. This course will help you so that you can easily understand the process on Fiverr and when you got a new order and when you are deliver the project to your client, how he will approve your delivery and give you a 5-star review. In this course, we will learn how we create an account on Fiverr platform, how we set up our Fiverr profile as a new seller so we can start making money online. We will set up our first gig and avoid as a beginner mistakes so that our Fiverr gig will be approved, and we will discuss how we explore other gigs and start selling online. In this course we will explore 9 gigs so that you can create your gig on your own interest and start selling on Fiverr. These gigs even not require not so technical knowledge, anyone can do that if you have some willing to earn money online and have some passion to learn new stuff. So again we will cover lots of things in this course, and after completing this course you will be completely familiar with the Fiverr platform and start selling on Fiverr. So why you are waiting for, enroll now and I will see you in my course.